What's going on, everyone? These are the Tusk Torque Wrenches. Now this is the tool that you need to make sure that your next chassis fix or engine repair, that you've got your bolts torqued to the exact specifications that you need. Now if you have walked around the pro pits at a race, or if you've gone through a shop at your local mechanic shop, you already know torque wrenches are an absolute must. When you're going to trust your machine, throwing it off a jump, going down rocky climbs at high speeds, you've got to have the utmost confidence in your machine, and that's going to come down to how well you've worked on it. If you're hand tightening bolts that you're missing on just a little bit, it's going to affect the way your machine feels, and you can't have that ruining good rides. These torque wrenches are both super high quality and they're click type. Now I'm going to start this one off. This is the 3/8 inch drive, and this goes from 10 to 100 foot-pounds of torque. And this is adjustable in half-pound increments. Now you do have a nice quality handle right here, and to adjust this, you're going to pull down on this black portion, and then you can adjust it to where it needs to be. Now again, this is set up in half-pound increments, and so once you're at the halfway point, you can turn it to make sure it clicks into the spot that it needs to be. So if you need it to dial into 64 foot-pounds, you can get it dialed right there, right down to the half-pound mark. Now, one thing I will tell you, this is going to be a huge thing to use, especially when you're doing your chassis components. When you're tightening down on your fork pinch bolts on your triple clamps, or down on your axle on your front wheel, if you're not using a torque wrench, if you're off a couple pounds on those torque specs, it's going to affect the way that the front of that bike can feel. Too tight on those top triple clamps can make your forks bind up. If they're too loose, you're going to have a chance of them moving around and breaking or bending those bolts, which again is going to ruin a good ride. Now when it comes to this smaller one, this is a 1/4 inch drive, and this is in inch pounds. Now this goes from 20 to 200 inch pounds, and this is going to be a must-have tool for when you're doing your engine rebuilds. Things like cam covers, or tightening down your crankcases together, or power valve parts. You're going to want to be super precise on those, because if you don't, it's going to put unwanted strain on your bearings. Again, the big thing here, you don't want to rely on just hand tightening expensive components. Now both of these torque wrenches are set up with their own carrying cases. They fit the torque wrench nice and easy. But one thing I will tell you is when it comes time to storing your torque wrench, make sure you dial it out to the minimum pressure for your storing. That way it'll keep these things nice and accurate. Now speaking of accuracy, on these tools, these are set up to be within plus or minus 3% of that torque spec. But I'll tell you, one of my favorite things when I was unboxing these for this video was inside the box, you've got a little sheet to show you exactly how your tool tested out and how accurate it is. These things are super. You're gonna wanna pick them up for your next chassis or engine rebuild. To get yours, go to the link below. And as always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, and thanks so much for watching.